Wagwan beautiful people, I am Chev B. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're about to do a wash day / silk press on my 4B natural hair. So in my last video with my clip-ins, you guys wanted to know how did I get my natural hair straight without frizzing, and so I'm about to share with you guys how I achieved that. So obviously my hair is color treated, so we'll be using the Olaplex system. Now professionals use this on color treated hair, or if you have damaged hair, this is like A1 bomb, and I love using it even before I colored my hair. So first we go in with the Bond shampoo, and I really work that in. You don't even have to use a lot because it lathers so greatly. Then we're gonna go in with the Bond conditioner, and I dab this all over my hair, trying to get as much of the product in there and really work it into my hair. I have low porosity hair, so it takes a minute for products to actually penetrate my hair shaft and really get into it. So I do this for a good 5 minutes to make sure that my hair is saturated with each product. Then I'm going to rinse that out, and at this point my hair was, well, I used a temporary color on my hair about 2 weeks ago, so this is a little bit faded ginger. It's not as deep as it was. So then we're gonna go in with the Bond Intense mask, and I just dab this all over my hair. Now this is what I do at every wash day. On the third wash day, I go in with a deeper treatment, but for now we do this, work that in there, and then I leave the mask on for a good 10 minutes, then rinse it out. Next, it's time to blow dry. So I blow dried my hair off camera, and I'm using the Revlon One Step blow dryer. It's gonna be in my Amazon storefront, link down below. And then this is the real magic right here. This is called the Color Wow Supernatural Anti-Frizz Treatment. Girl, I bought this at Sephora because I see that a lot of stylists started to use this, and I'm like, okay, I need to try this. And baby, when I tell you this got my hair straight, it was almost scary how good this product is. And you don't have to use it every single wash day. You just use it, I think it says on the bottle, every third wash day, because the treatment is gonna still be in your hair even when you wash it. So I realized that after the third wash day, or rather the second wash day really, I realized that my hair started reverting each wash day. But it was scary the first time because I'm like, wait, did I have heat damage? But I realized that my hair was reverting after every wash day. So as you guys can see, I'm using this little small flat iron, and then I go in with a medium-sized flat iron. So the smaller flat iron is to get to my roots. I do not use a hot comb on my hair because I'm too jumpy to use a hot comb. So that little flat iron that I start with, that is what's gonna get my roots without making me burn myself. And then I'm going to use this flat iron that I got from Amazon. Actually, this was the second time using this flat iron. I needed a medium-sized flat iron because I had a bigger one, but because my hair is so short, I needed more control. So it's pretty affordable compared to a lot of flat irons on the market. I love it. It did the job well. In the back, when I just started, I used, I think, 300 degrees, but my hair is too thick, so I had to go up to 400. Now this is preference, how much heat you use, how silky you want it. Obviously it depends on how great your heat protectant is and the density of your hair. My hair is pretty dense, like it is full, so I go in with heat up to 400 for my hair personally. So we're just gonna keep repeating this step until we do the entire head. Now on occasion I'll do a little trim, like nothing major, because honestly I can't trim my own hair, but if I see like some strands of hair or I see a split end, I'm gonna cut it. So that's what I do occasionally. Like if I see hair out of place or some strands longer than some, I'll do just a quick little trim. So this is what our hair is looking like, fully flat ironed. And I'm just gonna go back in with my little flat iron just to get the front and my edges. Again, I cannot do this with a hot comb. Like, I just cannot. I refuse to burn myself. And then we're gonna go back in with the scissors and just try to shape it up just a little bit. Like, I'm not doing anything crazy. Just getting those loose strands or those strands that just look out of place and crazy, because remember, we're gonna do a bob. So we need our bob to look as professional as possible. So now I'm just gonna create my part. I want a side part for this look. So I'm making sure my part is nice and clean. Now it is time to bump it up, do that black girl bump, okay? That bump that we used to get in our childhood, but we're just gonna add some razzle dazzle to it. So I'm using this curling iron. I got a couple of years ago on Amazon. I'm gonna see if it's still available to put it in my storefront for you guys. And we're just gonna roll that in. Like, just look at my technique, because this is what's gonna give you that body. So if you have flat hair or you feel like your hair doesn't have enough body, curling your hair like this is gonna give you that body, sis. It's gonna give that volume, that healthy looking bob. Okay, so just watch the technique, curl that hair in, make sure that you get to the ends, and yeah, she's gonna give body. Also, I want to mention, since I didn't do it on camera, I used Icy, I believe that's what it's called. It's in this red container for heat protector when I blow dried my hair. I'll just list it as one of the products that I use in the description box down below. Now, girl, this looks kind of crazy, but we're gonna fix it. Like, don't worry. It's giving someone's auntie, but we gonna fix it up. Okay, so we take this wide teeth comb, and don't be afraid to comb it out. The curl and the bop is gonna be there. Don't worry, the volume's still gonna be there, and hair is not about to drop flat just like that if you use the comb. And because it's a little bit too curly still in the front for me, so I'm gonna go in with the curling iron once more and just pull out the curls just a little bit, straighten it out just a tad, and then we're just gonna play around with the hair until we are fully satisfied with the look. So don't be afraid to be combing the hair one side, this side, flipping it back and forth, play around with it, tease it, just play around until you feel comfortable. So I'm just gonna do a behind the ear type of vibe, and after this is done, I'm like, yeah girl, this is it for us. So I'm using this edge brush. There's nothing really on it. Like, I didn't add anything under. Like, I had a little bit of edge control like left over from a style that I did, and I just used a little bit of that. Like, I didn't want anything wet on my hair to revert it. And this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think about the bob. Like, she is giving, the color is rich, it is gorgeous. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.